In order to find the results of your heart rate monitor, please log into your key user account and navigate to Reports My Events. Here you will find all heart rate monitors started within your organization. To open the results, click on the Play button. In the results page, you will first see some general information about your heart rate monitor. In case it's a series, you will be able to switch to individual reading points using our calendar view. Below that, you can find the filter bar. Here you are able to filter the results via several dimensions, including seniorities, departments and locations of the users. Also, you are able to export the results in a CSV format or as a PDF document. Let's dive into the graphs of the results page. On the left side, you can see the heart rate categories over time, and on the right side, the heart rate net promoter score, which subdivides all received feedbacks into promoters, which evaluated really good, passives and detractors. The net promoter score you can also see over time across all reading points of your heart rate monitor series. Next, I would like to show you the Vitality Cube. Here you are able to select a heart rate monitor category or index and see the results in a three-dimensional space across seniority levels, departments, and locations of the users. This helps you to get a quick overview across all organizational units and lets you identify pockets of disengagements where you need to take action. Below that, we have the heart rate head-to-head, which is a heat map to show you the results of all heart rate monitor categories via the selected dimension. You can select what data you want to see, average outside view or net promoter score, and the dimension you want to see the data for, departments, locations or seniority levels of the users. We have color-coded the fields to provide you with a quick understanding of the best and worst results across all organizational units. Let you deep dive into the heart rate monitor categories. We have added the table where you can find the average result and net promoter score for each category, the associated checkpoints of each category, and all comments that were written for the checkpoints. Last but not least, on the bottom of the page, you can find a table with all answers to free text checkpoints of your heart rate monitor. Using the exports of the heart rate monitor, you are able to conduct statistical analysis using the CSV file or easily send a PDF of the results to your selected colleagues. Find heart rate monitor templates. Please navigate to Templates and select Heart Rate Monitor. Here you will find the Leadbacker best practice templates by default, and you can also add your own templates. Heart Rate Monitor templates consist of individual checkpoints which are linked to heart rate monitor categories and indices. You can edit existing checkpoints, add individual checkpoints, or also upload a list of multiple checkpoints all at once. When adding checkpoints to your heart rate monitor templates, you're able to select the type for the checkpoint, scale or free text. You can add translations for all supported languages of the Leadbacker application and select the category of the checkpoint. Also, you can define if this checkpoint is mandatory or not. In case this checkpoint is selected mandatory, then this checkpoint will be sent out whenever a reading point is started of the selected template. You're also able to define custom instructions for the users when they choose to provide a comment when giving their feedback. When you want to start a new heart rate monitor within your organization, navigate to the dashboard, then click the Start button and select New Evaluation. Navigate to the tab Heart Rate Monitor and select the template you want to use. Please note that only users with the role Key User can start heart rate monitors. Once you have selected the heart rate monitor template, you can start configuring it. You can provide a title for your heart rate monitor and an optional description. The description will be shown in the invitations the selected users will receive. Here you can also define which categories of the selected template should be active. Only checkpoints of active categories will be used for your heart rate monitor. You can also define how many checkpoints per active category should be selected whenever this heart rate monitor is started. Next, you can select who you want to ask for feedback for your heart rate monitor. You can select individual users on the left side and also configure if new users added to your Leadbacker application should be automatically added to this heart rate monitor. Lastly, you can select whether this heart rate monitor should be a single event or a series of several reading points. In case of a series, you can select the start and the end state of your series, as well as the frequency, meaning how often this heart rate monitor series should send out reading points. Below that, you can select the deadline for individual reading points. How much time do you want to give the selected users in order to provide you with their feedback? Once you're happy with the configuration, you can click Send Evaluation and the selected users will be invited once the series is started. We have reached the end of my presentation, so I want to thank you for your attention. I wish you plentiful feedback and insightful results.